In the beginning, there was nothing, only silence. From that silence arose a sound, subtle, eternal, infinite. That sound was Om. The Mandukya Upanishad declares, Om iti etad aksharam idam sarvam. Om is this whole universe. Om is the seed of creation, the vibration from which all existence unfolds. The sacred symbol of Om is a map of consciousness. The large curve below, the waking state, Jagrat. The middle curve, the dream state, Swapna. The upper curve, deep sleep, Sushupti. The dot above, Turiya, pure awareness beyond states. The present, Maya, the veil that hides truth. To know Om is to know the self. Chanting Om is not a mere sound. It is breath merging with creation. Each syllable carries power. Om. A. Rising from the throat, awakening creation. U. Flowing through the lips, sustaining the cosmos. M. Closing the vibration, dissolving into silence. And beyond that silence lies the eternal. In the Upanishads, Om is called Pranavaha Sarva Vedeshu. I am the sacred syllable Om. Bhagavad Gita says, Om iti ekaksharam brahma. One who departs from the body while remembering me, the Supreme Personality, and chanting the symbol Om will attain the supreme goal. Whether in temples, in yogic practice, or in quiet of meditation, Om unites all seekers across ages. To chant Om is to return to our source. It is not just a sound. It is silence, truth, the soul of existence. Close your eyes, breathe, and whisper, Om. The universe listens.